Hey guys, this video is going to be, we're going to go back to our roots and do a caregiver's ramblings. This is all about Nancy and her behavior modification chart. Guys, if you want to try this too, this behavior modification chart, it's easy to do yourself, or you can go to our website at pressplayonlife.com and it'll be out there for you too in PDF form. Let's get to seeing Nancy's cool chart. She loves it. She thinks it's a game. Okay, so here is the behavior chart that we have. So behind me you can see Nancy's behavior chart. Behind all this hair of mine, there's Nancy's behavior chart. And during the week, or actually during the day, she can go up and down. It's a sliding scale. If she's amazing, she ends up there on red. If she's just having, a pretty darn good day, she gets purple. A good day, blue. Start the day is green. And she has oops. And oops is, she's really got to start thinking about her decisions. And she doesn't stay on oops. She either moves down or moves up. Most likely she moves up because she does not want to pay us tickets. So that's the sliding scale there. Forgot, there's one more thing that she gets, and it's the sunglasses. A smiley face with sunglasses. And so she goes, do I get the sunglasses today? Oh! And if she gets the sunglasses, it's double points. She just has done the best she could possibly do, and she gets the sunglasses. Now these little charts have the amount of tickets. On red, she gets 5 tickets. Blue, she gets, well, I skipped on purple, 4. Blue, 3. You get the picture. So she gets tickets at the end of the day. And then on Fridays, is her basket day, and she gets to choose a prize out of that basket, and she has to pay me her tickets. So since it's Nancy's basket day, I'm going to run in and get some prizes for the basket. Oh, these would be perfect. So I got these window clings. Nancy loves to decorate her bedroom window for whatever holiday we have. So that is perfect for her basket. She's always needing a Kleenex. And she loves this box of Kleenex that has the Disney characters on it. Her pastime is to sit or lay down and listen to her radio. So we always need batteries. So this is a huge prize for her. She loves to get batteries. And she doesn't think it's her basket day unless she gets a candy bar and a drink. And one of her favorite little characters are the Minions. So I got her some stickers. She loves to do cards, and she loves to put stickers on them. And she loves to do her calendar and stick stickers on her calendar. And the last thing, I think she'll be able to chew them. Not quite sure, but this was just funny. It's little gummy carrots. So that is what I got for her basket. Okay, so here's Nancy's box of stuff. We'll just add what we have. She's already got a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, look, I already had Kleenex. And I started out really, really diligent and really great with this. And we had this lovely little chart. And so if it had different color smiley faces, think orange, she'd owed me 20 tickets, and I would put a smiley face sticker on there so she'd know the price tag and she'd pay me those tickets. I haven't been as good with that, but sometimes we still do I'll take the time and I'll put the tickets on each prize, and she can pay for them and see what the price is that way. Lately it's just, yeah, it's that much, it's this much, it's that much. But this activity that we do, this behavior modification chart, this sliding scale thing, and the tickets at the end of the week has been one of the best things that we could have possibly dreamed up. It is amazing. It helps her behavior so much. And, oh gosh, when did I start doing it? So we started it about 4 years ago, and, it has so helped her behavior. I almost forgot. There's also, if I can dig down in here in this basket, she also has a coupon book. If she decides she does not want anything out of this basket. So we're trying to teach her longer term goals. And so, you know, delayed gratification. She, you know, the end of the week, she doesn't have to buy something out of that basket. She could save the tickets, and then that's when she could get something out of this coupon book. Let me show you what kind of coupons she has here. Sorry, I've probably triggered a bunch of people. They're not coupons, they're coupons. So let me show you guys these coupons. Send a friend a card is 250 tickets. Send Patrick Mahomes a card is 250 tickets. Send Tim Tebow a card is 250 tickets. I will buy her a Chiefs shirt. It's 300 tickets. She could trade it in for a candy bar for 25 tickets. She could trade it in for Coca-Cola for 25 tickets. She could buy Charlie a toy for 75 tickets. She could buy one of the kitties a toy for 75 tickets. She can call and talk to Linda for 100 tickets. She can video chat with Carrie for 100 tickets. She can call and talk to our friend Mary for 100 tickets. We could go out for donuts for 125. We could order a pizza for 150. She can get a Big Mac for 150, one of those Big Mac meals. Or she could trade it in for some new headphones for that radio that she loves to listen to. That's 150 tickets. She has so many wonderful coupons here. Or we could go to Sonic, IHOP. She gets a $20 bill to go shop at the Dollar Tree. Or she gets money to go to the bookstore. And that is the end. So she has all these lovely, wonderful prizes. So she has earned these prizes at the end of the week, or depends on if it's been... One of the things that we have trouble with is showers and empty the trash. If she does the shower and empty the trash, that means she's probably going to get the glasses. And, you know, this isn't just so that Nancy will behave for us, although that's a wonderful side effect. It's also so that she's in control of herself. She's in control of her emotions. She's in control of her reactions. And she's able to understand and think out the consequences of said behavior. And there she is peeking out. What do you want to say to everybody?
I love all my stuff. Win tickets
Yes.
from Kelly, because I put it in my jar.
And there is her jar full of tickets. And so later tonight, we'll do her tickets and we'll film when we do your tickets, okay?
Okay.
So it gives her something to look forward to. It gives her a job to do. It engages her brain. It's just it's been a wonderful system. I'm so happy that we started this about 4 years ago. It's nighttime now, and it's time to do Nancy's tickets. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do Nancy's tickets. Okay, you have 108 tickets.
Okay. What's this?
Some Easter stickers, the candy bar. One more thing, and you're done. Don't forget you have this.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love it.